Okay, I just got off the phone with Yanni, having a discussion about EagleMMS, and he's got this really great promo going on. So I'm just going to take a couple of minutes to talk to you guys about Eagle. There's no way forward without billing properly for your materials and the consumables within the shop. We just had October, another round of increases across the board for lots of stuff. Everything in your business is going up every month, every quarter, it seems. And there's not a labor rate adjustment coming anytime soon. In fact, if you saw Coffee Talk this morning, we talked about State Farm reducing labor rates across the country. So you're going to need Eagle. Real quick, I just want to give you a little bit. I just want to share the screens and I can talk to you about what he's got offered. So you go to the EagleMMS.com website right now, and you can take a tour of the Eagle products. The material invoicing. He also has a hazardous waste invoicing system that's separate, but you combine those two together. Right now, if you use the code Super Eagle, he is going to waive. So we'll get in here pricing and look at it. If you enter the code Super Eagle, he's going to waive this onboarding fee between now and the end of the year. So you're not going to pay that $500 onboarding where he takes all of your previous purchases, all of your product SKU numbers, all of that enters it. He's going to do all of that for you on his own at his own cost. You won't pay the onboarding, and it's just going to be the $99 a month. Now, how simple is that $99 a month? Because people go, well, Kristen, I don't get paid all the time. You're right, you don't get paid all the time. So if we look across the board right now, the average material invoice recoup is around $420. Now that's kind of a mix and mash between atomization, complete invoicing with settlement or whatever, but it's around $420. So let's just say $400 is the average. And let's say you do 50 cars a month and you only collect 20% of the time. So people go, well, Kristen, 20% of the time, why am I going to have this product and have this service and I'm only going to get paid 20% of the time? Because if we take 50 cars and we do 20%, that's 10 cars. And if you get $400 on average for each of those 10 cars, that's $4,000 extra a month. So you spent $99 a month and you're going to get $4,000 at the end of it. Itemization of material invoicing, I would love for you to say that you're going to charge the customer and collect it on every time. But even if you're not, even if you only get it 20% of the time, that is a substantial ROI on a product. So you really, really have no excuse not to have that product in your in your arsenal of tools right now. He also has, and I'll throw this over here and I'm going to share this with you too real quick. He also has a Facebook group in which people that are EagleMMS customers can go onto this group and they share their stories and they help each other. So you can see people are posting, they're posting their wins, they're sharing the insurers, they're sharing the claims. When they're having trouble with one particular insurer, everybody comes on there and talks about what they're doing with that insurer in their market. So it's beyond just a software product as much as it is it's a community. So the Eagle tool becomes a community. You simply, I just don't know how you don't move forward with this product right now. So again, it's a huge offering. He's waiving the $500 onboarding fee. It's just use the code Super Eagle. It's better than, the Collision Hub discount code. It's better than the I Hate Larry code. Just enter the Super Eagle. He waives all that fee, and all you're looking at is that $99 a month. And the other great thing about Yanni is that there's no 1 year, 2 year contract. Cancel anytime. But please, as we go into this fourth quarter and finish out this year, please be doing things to recoup your material and expenses. And we know when January gets here, well, we're just going to have another price increase again. So check out EagleMMS and the code Super Eagle from now to the end of the year. And again, thanks, Yanni. We really appreciate you helping shops right now and doing this, kind of taking a loss on a product that you're doing great with. So we really appreciate you, Yanni, and your brother, and everything you're doing for shops. Thank you.